Let us do one experiment. You take a pointed nail and push into the wooden plank by hammering on the heads. Observe what happens is. Now take a nail and hold it with its head on a plank and hammer it down from the pointed head. When pressing the drawing pins into the drawing board, they get into the board easily. Right? By applying a force using the thumb, one can push the pins inside into the board. But on the contrary, if you press the ordinary pins, then ordinary pins, if you will push, it will not go that easily in the drawing pot. On the top of it, you may get injury on your thumb, right? So your thumb may get hurt. So always, if you observe, the drawing pin has the flat hand and that the head part is flat, so that you can keep your thumb properly. We are going to understand the reason of all, why we have a different drawing pins. See children, this experiment is very simple. Every day when you have a display board to design, we used to have a drawing pins. So you understand, those who are doing the display board work, they understand the simple pin hai to kya problem hota hai, and if the drawing pins is how easily it becomes. The nails easily penetrates into the wooden plank, or you can say wood, from its pointed end. So you might have noticed, when a force is applied on a head of the nail, it get easy to hammer into the plank. But if it will not do, then it is required, or your thumb may get hurt also. It is easy to cut the vegetables or fruits if you use a sharp knife. But if the knife is blunt, then we are not finding it easier to cut the vegetables or fruits. So why is it so? What is that difference is made due to the sharp knife? Let me give an answer of that today. It is nothing but due to pressure. The force exerted perpendicular on a unit area is called pressure. So if you will say in a form of formula, so pressure is equal to force upon area on which the force is applied. Always the force is measured in terms of Newton and area is measured in meter square. So the unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. This is also called as Pascal, in the remember of the scientist Pascal. When we talk about the atmospheric science, the unit of pressure is bar, and 1 bar is nothing but 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Now children, here we are going to just consider only the force which is acting on an area in the direction perpendicular to it. We are just considering perpendicular force, that is all called as pressure. So we are going to discuss that only, right? So we have seen the SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square, and when you talk about the pressure atmospheric in the atmospheric science, then it is 1 bar. 1 bar is nothing but 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Okay, so remember what was the formula? Pressure is equal to force upon area. So children, if the area is small, then the force will be more. Okay, they are inversely proportional. अगर force ज़्यादा दोगे तो pressure भी ज़्यादा आएगा, but अगर area छोटा करोगे then pressure will be more. So what we are doing exactly? We are sharpening the knife. Knife sharp करते हैं तो what is there? From the edges we are reducing the area, area कम हुआ, area कम, then what will happen to pressure? It will increase. Correct? So we have many application of this. So simple formula, pressure is equal to force upon area. फोर्स बढ़ेगा, प्रेशर बढ़ेगा. जो न्यूमरेटर में है, इफ़ दैट इंक्रीजेज द प्रेशर विल इंक्रीज. बट इफ़ एनीथिंग इज इन द डिनोमिनेटर तो उल्टा रिलेशनशिप आता है. वन थिंग डिक्रीजेज, अनदर थिंग इंक्रीजेज. हाँ, सो वी आर गोइंग टू सी all the different examples of it. Whatever area is given, in all that the force, that is the pressure, gets divided, right? If you are just passing the air in the balloon, what is happening? It is getting enlarged, and one time it will get break also, right? So if the area increases, the pressure reduces from the same force, and if area decreases, the pressure increases at the same force. So now let us understand some of the things in the nature. You know about the camel, huh? Yes, found in the desert area, ship of desert, na? Camel is called ship of desert. So what is so special about the camel's feet? They are broad. Can you see this? So they are very much broad. So why it is so? See, such a huge element, उसका वजन भी तो ज़्यादा होगा. So what happens is the weight is exerted on large area. Correct? So large area. So what will happen? The pressure will reduce. Area increases, pressure decreases. Correct? Because they are inversely proportional. So what will happen? Pressure कम आएगा तो वो सैंड के अंदर उसके पैर घुस नहीं जाएंगे. The pressure on the sand is reduced, and that is why you see that camel's feet do not penetrate into the sand. And so it's so easy for camel to walk in the desert area, that is in the sand. Correct? So you can see there it is not getting penetrate. The legs are not getting penetrate into the sand. It is able to walk very much easily. Now after understanding about the pressure, some of the effect, I will just wanted to know what will happen if the school bag's belt is broad, or in fact when you go to purchase the school bag, तो उसके जो बेल्ट होते हैं जो आप कंधे पे लटकाते हो वो बहुत ब्रॉड लेने चाहिए. डू यू नो द रीज़न? द सेम रीज़न इज़ अप्लाइड. ब्रॉड बेल्ट है मतलब एरिया ज़्यादा हुआ, एरिया ज़्यादा हुआ तो क्या होगा? whatever force you are applying on it, the pressure decreases ना, opposite. So more area less pressure, तो आपके कंधों के ऊपर कम प्रेशर आएगा. So see how the science is useful in our day-to-day activity. You understood के why we should purchase a school bag which is having broad belt. दूसरी बात, suppose you wanted to go to Chowpatty, okay, seesaw. So there you will not wear any heels का sandals. हील्स वाली चप्पल नहीं पहनोगे. अगर पहनोगे तो चल ही नहीं पाओगे. रेती के अंदर आपका वो जो हील्स वाली होती है पेंसिल है तो उसका एरिया कितना कम होता है. देन इट विल डेफिनेटली पेनिट्रेट इन द सैंड. देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू वॉक. सो यू शुड हैव नाइस फ्लैट स्लीपर्स टाइप ऑफ फुटवेयर. देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू वॉक ईजीली ऑन सी शोर. राइट? सो सच ऑल our day-to-day life activity you should consider. Now coming to the pressure on the solids. Children, air pressure is exerted on all the objects, which all things are kept in the air. When a weight is kept on a solid, the pressure is exerted, and this pressure depends on the weight and the contact area between the two. So I'll just give you an example of it. See, on this spring balance, one weight is hang. So what is happening? It is getting a downward pull, right? And you can have a spring balance which can show whether it is 100 gram, 200 gram, etc. I think you people, for you it is not that common. When I was of your age, na, all those raddi wala people, they used to come to house and they used to ask for it, and they used to keep this स्प्रिंग बैलेंस. वो घर पे आके बस आपकी रद्दी को ऐसे ही थैली में भर के वज़न कर लेते थे आराम से. एंड दैट स्प्रिंग बैलेंस वाज सो हैंडी. वो अपने पॉकेट में लेके आराम से घूमते थे. सो नाउ लेट अस डू द एक्सपेरिमेंट. हियर आई हैव केप्ट द 2 brick. ओवर दैट वन वुडन प्लैंक इज देयर, एंड देन ओवर दैट सम वेट इज केप्ट. Observe now what is happening. It is getting bent. Can you see this from the center? It is not that straight. It got bent, right? So this is due to the weight which is increased. You can do it simply by taking the books. आपके घर पे बुक के ऊपर बुक के ऊपर बुक, 2 लकड़ी रखो, उसके ऊपर रखते जाओ, and you will see that the wooden stick is getting bent. Okay, so this is what. Now the practical application of it. You must have seen the vegetable vendor, they keep the basket over their head, but then they keep a twisted piece of cloth. Can you see this twisted piece of cloth on the head just below the basket? Now why is it so? If she doesn't
Which
keep,
for the balance.
अगर ये डायरेक्टली इसके ऊपर रखते हैं तो क्या होगा? कितना कांटेक्ट में, इतना सा ही कांटेक्ट में, तो एरिया कम, तो प्रेशर ज़्यादा आएगा इसके सर के ऊपर. अगर ऐसे ब्रॉड है, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, द एरिया इज़ मोर, सो प्रेशर विल बी लेस. सो वट एवर ये जो वेट है ना, उसका जो प्रेशर आएगा सर के ऊपर वो कम आएगा. एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई वेजिटेबल वेंडर uses the tested piece of cloth on the head. And we are also not supposed to stand for a longer time at one place. So that is there. This is the same reason for all. So if you will sleep in the same position throughout, then again you will have a same type of problem. Then you must have seen, then in cycling on ice, there is long and flat ski is used. उसके पैर में ऐसे से फ्लैट स्की होते हैं. जो पर्सन आइस में स्केटिंग करता है ना, वो तो उसके पैर में इतने बड़े बड़े. वाई? सो इफ़ इट इज़ फ्लैट, मोर एरिया, लेस प्रेशर, नहीं तो वो बर्फ़ के अंदर उसके पैर घुस जाएंगे. सो दैट इज़ द थिंग which is there. So we have seen so many give reasons related to the pressure. We have seen pressure, its units, the pressure on solids